Hey Ryan, this is my presentation problem number 2. So this is my problem number 2 presentation, and wait. First is mao ni ako mga variables. Age equal int, tapos parenthesis input parenthesis interior current age. So parehara sa lag mga symbols na akong gipanggamit sa age, father age, mother age. So, father age, int input into your father's current age. The third is father age equal int input into your mother current age. So, the second variable is sunod nga variable sana sa age, father age, mother age is result 1 equals father age minus age. So, ang pasabot anang age guys is ako ang age, no? Wala na ako gibutngan og my age. Result number 2 equals mother age minus age. Result number 3 is equal age plus 5. So madugangan. Tapos result number 4, age plus 10. Result number 5, age plus 15. Result number 6 equals age tapos multiply father age. Multiply na siya guys ha. Kalimot kong unsay tawagan ng assembles. Multiply na. Result number 7 equals age multiply mother age. Tas result number 8 equals age tapos divided 2. So ang kanang print nga na parenthesis tas quotation mark guys. So ang pasabot ana is spacing. Sa sunod, you are result number 1 you are result 1 years younger than your father. Ta sunod, you are result number 2 years younger than your mother. Tas print tapod pareha gyapon na siya guys, space rin na siya. So sunod, print in 5 years you will be result number 3 year old. In 10 years you will be result number 4 year old. Tas sa last is in 15 years you will be result number 5 year old. Tas space na pod, print tapos parenthesis katas quotation mark. So space na siya guys ha. Mag-space na siya pag i-run na. Tas sunod, print when I multiply my age by my father age, the result will be result number 6. Tapos print when I multiply my age by my father's age, the result will be result number 7. Tas space na po, print na. Print lang akong butang guys, print tas parenthesis tas quotation mark. So pag result kung i-run na, print ko na siya, space ra na para maglahi-lahi ning kuan. You are tas in 5 years and when I multiply. So sa last is half my age ago I was result number 8 years old. So kung atong i-run, sorry kay blurred no. Kung ato nang i-run, wait. Ato nang i-run tas okay. So mana interior current age, katong age guys. So akong ibutang is 18. Tapos interior father age, current age. So edad sa papa is 45. Inter na pod. Ang last is interior mother's current age. So ang edad sa mama is 39, no? So manang result, you are 27 years younger than your father. Ta sunod, you are 21 years younger than your mother's. So katong tulo ka book guys nga in 5 years, in 10 years, in 15 years. So mao nang kuan. In 5 years you will be 23-year-old. In 10 years you will be 28-year-old. In 15 years you will be 33-year-old. Tas dito na punta sa sunod. When I multiply my age by my father's age, the result will be 818. So ang nakabutang ana guys, itong sa result number 6, no? Sa result number 6 to 7 is multiply man. Maong dako siya, no? And mao ang result 810. Tapos when I multiply my age by my mother age, the result will be 702. Sa last guys, result number 8 is kuan, age divide na guys, no, ang slash, no? age divide 2. So ma-divide 2 siya. So ang result na sa last half my age ago I was result 8 years old na. Ang result is half my age ago I was 9.0 years old, no? So mo na ang result sa akong code sa problem number 2. That's all. Thank you, Sir Ayan. Okay.